we are learning the one more shloka. So this is the shloka we say while taking bath. Yes. So now we are showing our gratitude to all the river, to the water resources in the universe, to the water resources on the earth that we are using each and every day, every moment. Right? So here is the shloka. We'll learn that shloka. So these are the names of the river that is there in India. Okay, so majorly all the rivers is being thanked here. The rivers all over the India, there are 7 river names in this shloka. So we are thanking. So we are just taking a 7 river name which are the main rivers kind of a thing. So we are just thanking nook and corner part of India wherever we have water resources. Fine. So thank you. So here we'll start chanting the mantra. Sorry for the disturbance in between. Gangecha. Here the river name is Gange. Gangecha. Yamune chaiva. Yamune chaiva. Here the second river name is Yamuna. I'll repeat. Gangecha. Yamune chaiva. Gangecha. Yamune chaiva. Repeat 3 to 5 times so that you can remember. Gangecha Yamune chaiva. Gangecha Yamune chaiva. Once you are done, we'll go for the next one. Godavari. Godavari. It's third river name. Saraswati. Saraswati. This is the fourth river name. Godavari Saraswati. Godavari Saraswati. Gangecha Yamune chaiva. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Godavari Saraswati. Godavari Saraswati. We'll repeat the complete line. Gangecha Yamune chaiva. Godavari Saraswati. Gangecha Yamune chaiva. Godavari Saraswati. Repeat 3 to 5 times before you going to the next line. Repeat this. Make sure that you know this line. Fine. So once you are done, we'll go for the next line. Narmade. So the fifth river name is Narmada. Narmade. Sindhu. The next river name, sixth one. Sindhu. Kaveri. The last one, seventh river name. Kaveri. Jalesmin. Jalesmin. Jala means water. Sannidhim kuru. Sannidhim. Dhim. Press the letter dha. Sannidhim kuru. We'll repeat the second line. Narmade Sindhu Kaveri. We'll repeat 2 to 3 times. Narmade Sindhu Kaveri. Narmade Sindhu Kaveri. We'll go for next one. Jalesmin Sannidhim Kuru. Jalesmin Sannidhim Kuru. Keep repeating 3 to 5 times until you memorize this. Once you are done, we'll tell the complete line. Narmade Sindhu Kaveri. Jalesmin Sannidhim Kuru. Narmade Sindhu Kaveri. जलेऽस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु. Wonderful. So we are done with the shloka. So we'll repeat once again. Just revise quickly. Okay. Now first in the beginning I'll fill slowly, then I'll increase the speed gradually. Gangecha Yamune Chaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kaveri Jalesmin Sannidhim Kuru. If you are ready with this, we'll increase the speed little more. Try you can you try if you can say along with me. Gangecha Yamune Chaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kaveri Jalesmin Sannidhim Kuru. Now we'll tell a little louder. Okay, then we'll feel the vibration of that each and every word of this mantra. Gangecha Yamune Chaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kaveri Jalesmin Sannidhim Kuru. So feel the vibration as and when you say the shloka or a stotra, each and every letter has to be felt, each and every word has to be felt by you. So this is the shloka that we chant while taking a bath, and there are 7 river names. Those rivers are in India: Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Saraswati, Narmada, Sindhu and Kaveri. Sapta Nadigalu. So the number 7 has a very good significance in the history of India. So if you want to know more about this, you can watch at the end of the video. You will be having a little more resource. Children, you can stop here, you can start chanting the mantra. If you are interested, you can also go to the video at the end of the video, and then you can have a look and know a little more information. We'll learn the one more shloka, next one. I hope you practice this before, until and unless you won't practice this, please don't go for the next shloka. Practice this thoroughly, then go for the next shloka. Thank you.